Underneath the moon's soft glow, where the nightingale's sweet melodies flow. Close your eyes, feel the gentle breeze, let the soothing music put your mind at ease. Listen to the nightingale's song as it carries your worries along. In the stillness of the night, find solace in its tranquil flight. Stars above, twinkling bright, guiding us through the darkest night. With each note a new serenade, all your fears begin to fade. Listen to the nightingale's song as it carries your worries along. In the stillness of the night, find solace in its tranquil flight. So as the night, twinkling bright, guiding us through the darkest night. With each note a serenade, all your fears begin to fade. Listen to the nightingale's song as it carries your worries along. In the stillness of the night, find solace in its tranquil flight. So as the nightingale's song fades away, embrace the peace it brought your way. And in the silence you will find the calm that fills your heart and mind.